I always have my alarms on. But just that I just skip them. Sometimes if I have an appointment in the morning, I can snooze my alarm for like 5 times. Waking up and sit on the bed and then, oh shit, I'm undocumented. Shit. Life is crazy. Can I say shit?
You can say shit.
But then it will be edited out?
No.
Okay, shit. Yeah, and then that's the time that your whole life situation come across. And then you become, I just want to sleep. Yeah, but you end up getting up, taking a shower.
How do you get yourself out of it? Like, how do you make yourself take the shower?
Okay, I like watching the news, and then it wakes me up.
Dozens of Guinea's representative parties...
Sometimes I scroll on Facebook to see videos of what is happening in Guinea. It usually helps, but sometimes I just don't want to do it. Eventually, I get up and go about my routine. But still, throughout the day, it's hard to stay motivated. So I find ways to always remind myself. Sometimes it becomes really difficult. I have an alarm at 12 that says, be strong. And I have an alarm at 5:30 that says, less is always enough. I think that's the kind of way that I'm, making myself feel better about things. Be strong. It was a really tough time back when I was going to reapply for my asylum, so I was stressed, so, be strong. When I came the first day, it was raining so much from night to morning. I had this backpack with me with all my properties, and I didn't know where to go. So my idea was to look for police. I walked around for hours. I had no idea where anything was in Amsterdam. And I kept ending up on Dam Square. Until finally, somewhere around the red light district, I remember. And I saw a police car stop. I'm like, yes! I came to the lady and I said, hi, I'm an asylum seeker and I need help. And I was like, take me in your car, take me to the police station. It was getting late. And she said, no, sorry, we cannot do that. You need to go to the police station. The address is this. She just gave me an address, I didn't even know how this worked at that time. In Guinea, we don't have street names or house numbers. You just go to the nearest square and the person you're meeting just comes to pick you up. Eventually, I made it to the police station inside the Amsterdam Central Station. And I got one of the most humiliating first experience in the Netherlands. Because this policeman that I met decided to search me in front of people sitting in the hallway. He could have taken me into a room, but instead he really questioned me and searched me right there. And I felt really humiliated. Taking my pens out, public, where did you get this? Where did you get this? Where did you get this? I almost said, sir, I came to you. I'm not a criminal, but I didn't want to attract negativity. I don't want to be humiliated like that, or anyone else for that matter. That's why I spent a lot of time trying to raise awareness of what life is like for undocumented people and making that life better. One of the biggest problems I see is it's crazy difficult for asylum seekers to get information, and a ton of it is in Dutch. And a lot of time, the people behind the desks have no idea how their own system works.
Can you give me an example?
Like the doctor. By right, everybody in the Netherlands legally should have right to healthcare. But then you go to the doctor, tell them, hey, I don't have health insurance. And they say, no, sorry, we can't help you.